Hey guys, Justin here with ImageWorks Painting. Today we're going to talk about tape. These are just a few of the different kinds of tapes out on the market. So we're going to go through these, tell you what each one's used for, and see which one fits your project best. Alright, I figured we'd go ahead and start off with the ones that everybody is used to. White masking tape, blue painter's tape. White masking tape has a little bit more adhesion than blue painter's tape does. Whenever you need to mask something, say a bunch of floors off, it's a little bit less expensive than the blue painter's tape. If you need to be masking off windows, basically anything outside, this is a great tape for that. The blue painter's tape is less sticky. It does still have a 14-day takeoff to it, but this is generally what we use on a little bit more delicate surfaces. If you have painted walls or something like that, painted baseboards you need to mask off, you're going to be using regular old blue painter's tape. Next one up, got some blue edge lock. This is from 3M. All of these tapes are actually 3M tapes. This is when you need nice sharp lines. So if you need to paint stripes on a wall, like we did in one of our other videos, if you need to mask something off and get a nice crisp line where it's not going to bleed underneath, this will actually give you a nice sharp line. It doesn't have the green writing on it anymore. This is one of the last rolls that have the green writing, but it should still have the red or green core inside of it. One of the hardest things to mask off is an exterior surface where there's a grout line, meaning stucco. So if you have some stone facade on the bottom of a house and then it transitions into some stucco and you need a nice crisp line right there, that's what this green tape is for by 3M. It's an exterior tape. The number on it's 2060, but this is actually made to stick really well to those porous stone surfaces. So it's a great tape for that. This 3M exterior tape, this is really great when we're masking off windows on a Friday or Saturday. We know we're not going to be there on Sunday, and we need to make sure that everything's going to stick up through the Monday and Tuesday paint job. This actually is a waterproof tape, so I don't know if you can see how shiny that is or not, how that kind of ripples up more like a plastic than your standard tapes do, but this will actually hold up if it starts to rain or something on your project on one of the days that you're not there. So that's why they made this exterior tape. I know there's a ton of different tapes out there. They all have their special purpose. Do you have to buy all 17 different types of tape that 3M makes? No, not at all. But every tape does have its job, just like every tool that we use on our jobs have its own purpose. So get out there, get painting. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. If you guys want to see more videos about different tools that we use on our projects, different techniques that we use, we're going to be doing a series here called Like a Pro. And go ahead and click that subscribe button, ring the little bell, and it'll let you know every time we release a new video. Thanks, guys.